Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afra Azkia Subur, NPM 0371230007. Okay, now I want to discuss about stage of children's language development. Language development is fundamental to a child's ability to communicate and interact. Several factors influence this process. Point 1. Brain development. The left hemisphere plays a major role in language acquisition. The example, a 1-year-old baby whose brain development is optimal can start to say words like mama, papa, or it. Point 2. Gender differences. Girls tend to master language faster because of brain maturity and social roles. The example, a 3-year-old girl is able to tell short story like mama, today I want play doll with Maria. Meanwhile, a boy of the same age only say a few basic words. Point 3. Physical condition. Health, speech, and hearing organs greatly influence speech ability. The example, children with hearing impairments since infancy often experience speech delay compared to children with normal hearing. Point 4. Family environment. Children who are often taught to oral storage will master language faster. The example, children who are read stories by their parents every night have a larger vocabulary than children who rarely interact verbally at home. Point. Economic background. Children from families with better economic condition usually have great access to books, educational talks, educational toys, and hearing facilities. The example, children from middle to upper class families are already familiar with the alphabet and colors from an early age because they often play with books or flashcards. Okay, next, language acquisition theory by Chomsky, LAD, or language acquisition device. Children have an innate tool to absorb language. The example, children without being taught grammar can speak correctly naturally. Children have an innate tool in their brains called LAD, or language acquisition device. This allowed them to learn language without needing to be taught formally. Okay, next, language development by age. Age 3 until 5. Children between the age of 3 and 5 begin to use more complex sentences. For example, they might ask, why is the sky blue? While pretending to be a doctor and talking to their doll. Age 6 until 7. At this age, children begin to think more logically and can express ideas in a more structured sequence. For instance, they might say, Today I learned how to count and the teacher gave me a sticker because I did well. Age 8 until 9, children begin to form their own opinions and start to consider the people perspective. For example, they might say, I think it's better to study in the morning because the brain is still fresh. Age 10 until 12, by teen stage, children are able to use language to discuss deeper topics, including values, fairness, and even philosophical ideas. For instance, they might say, if everyone only cares about themselves, justice will never be achieved. Okay, next, the conclusion. So we can see that language development is not only about speaking ability. but also in line with the development of ways of thinking and ways of understanding of the world. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.